Hey, how you doing, everybody? Welcome back to Big Frog's 4x4. Just want to give you an update on the Chevy Colorado ZR2 shock that was leaking. They did replace the shock with a brand new shock, as you can see there. And the rear axle that was leaking is actually a service bulletin sent out to General Motors. So everyone with your ZR2s or even Chevy Colorados, these rear axles, some of them got missed in the assembly, that the rear axle tubes were not sealed. So there's a service bulletin at the dealers for that. As you can see there, those holes there are supposed to be plugged with a General Motors style sealant. Ours, and you probably can remember in the other picture, did not have any sealant in the other video. So look underneath your truck. If these holes are not plugged, you could have oil start to seep out through there. So get them in for that service bulletin to be taken care of. We had no problems as far as the dealer and getting this stuff covered under warranty. Also, there's some recalls on the Duramax as far as recalibration of the airbag and I think a sensor of some kind. I'd have to look at the paperwork. So make sure you check for your recalls as well. Make sure that stuff gets fixed. As always, thanks for watching Big Frog's 4x4. Like and subscribe. God bless.